guys know is Pongo. Anyway, welcome to Living LaVida Khadzi. Oh, Machi, look at how cute this is. So obviously Kay is late. Of course. Good.
The world is an amazing place. There is so much to do and so much to see, and I want you all to do it with me. So fix your crown and let's go on an adventure.
I'm Abu Dhabi. You should all do yourself a favor and subscribe to Living LaVida Khadzi.
Thank you. Guys, I look so ugly today.
I felt the exact same way.
Oksala, I'm ugly in different countries. This is us now. In the pits. In the pits.
Turkish Airlines is so much better. Their economy is actually way better than what we're experiencing here right now. This is just absolute wow. It's nonsense. Absolute nonsense.
I think that's bread. What is it?
No, it's not a muffin.
It's not a muffin. I think it's bread.
Oh, something.
Guys, if you have to say what is it, you shouldn't be eating it. No, this airline is trash. No, I'm sorry. Economy food doesn't look like this. I know it's not like a demon, but I've been in economy before and it was not
definitely not like this. Definitely not.
That smell hit me. Yo.
Which smell? There's a smell. There's a smell.
It smells like really strong. I don't know what it is.
It looks like mince and fish at the same time. It makes no sense. What is it? And it's sweet. How does it taste? No. My friends, kitty diva. You made us waste food because we don't want to eat, and then Kay's like, no, order for me. This also feels like a rock. This could have hit someone. Like Stina said. So how about the mutu? Do you want me to bring it back for y'all? Like what the heck? Assignments are getting done. We are studenting in the air levels. Hey guys, cross levels on 100. Wait, we've arrived finally after 8 hours in the ghetto. So, hello lighting. Hello. How are you?
We look Abu Dhabi ready.
Yes. So right now we're just going to the mall to get Fenty. Because after that we're going to the desert and we just want our faces to pop. It hits us, guys. It's hard to breathe. It is so hot. Hot cheese and happy we here. So imagine it's like triple the heat. It's just it's a lot, guys. It's a lot. I drew on terrible eyebrows and they're stressing Vanessa out just because she was born with nice eyebrows, so now she has issues with this. Y'all know I had to come here. Like y'all just know, guys. Y'all just know. Wait, take a video.
Wait. Is it recording?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Can you see how heavy she is? What's the for?
Better have Fenty. Guys, I'm freaking out. Are you freaking out? Are you freaking out? Vanessa and I are spending money we don't have.
On things we don't need.
On things we don't need, yup. But so this is a mac and cheese burger. This is some spicy, I don't know, what is it?
Spicy buffalo something.
Bacon. Oh, that actually looks the best.
It looks so good. I can't wait.
Vlog is waiting for you to ask.
What?
Would you ask us?
If there's Wi-Fi on the safari adventure.
Where is the safari adventure again?
In the desert. I don't understand. There should be Wi-Fi everywhere.
In the desert.
How
In the middle of the...
How am I supposed to do anything if there's no Wi-Fi? Guys.
Yup.
The honeybees collect nectar from the white flowers. It's a unique kind of flowers, and the honeybees work up the blossoms, and even you can replace this honey as your sugar instead of using sugar in your drink.
You see how awkward it is when you go somewhere just to get free samples and then now you have to actually act like you're interested.
Hi guys. guys, so we are at Abu Dhabi. We're about to do a desert safari tour, and yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with us. Okay, so we are about to start the dune drive. Apparently it's supposed to be like a roller coaster, but hey, we'll see. Still alive. That was kind of scary, but yeah, it was actually quite fun.
I don't know when these two came. This is Betty and Bob. I found another one. I don't know what's happening to me, guys. Wanna guys, it is so flippin' hot. Like, this isn't cute anymore. This weather isn't. Hello! This isn't cute, guys. Like, it is so hot and my makeup is melting, but I have a vision for the kind of Instagram picture I want. Like, yeah! Guys, come on, yeah! Subscribe, guys, come on, yeah! No! It's Khadzi! Yeah! Ribantle, wait. Look at that. Ribantle. Have you ever, Valesa? Oh, baby, you guys. Baby. We're like at the camp. There's sandboarding happening like right over there. There where those guys are. And then there's unlimited drinks and stuff there. And then entertainment happens down there. And then costumes and enough. Hey guys, I'm with your party. This is your party. Isn't he so cute? Okay, can I ride it? So guys, the sun is going down, so this is the last time you're gonna see me looking this snatched.
Ogo guys, Chomiaka. Ogo Abu Dhabi. Babon Chomiaka. Babon said Ruby White, Chomiaka. Yes. It. Yeah.
Guys, this is the size of my hand. How cute is this? We get unlimited drinks and water. So guys, clearly Palace is hungry. She already started eating. So this is dessert. That's my plate. So yeah, people are smoking. We are eating pudding.
This one.
Yeah. Just wash my face and actually my whole body because I had sand in places where sand shouldn't be. But yeah, so now just gonna put on some mask and sleep. I'm so tired. It's the first day and I am exhausted. It makes no sense. So how am I gonna survive a whole 10 days of this? Oh look, even my skin can see. Hori shame, Makhadzi, you're going through a lot. I'm not somebody who gets pimples like this, but wow. But anyway, good night guys, see you tomorrow, bye. Like a Texas Bama. So today is day 2 and we are at Ferrari World. Yes. Hey. Is the wig secured?
Better be. I'm not ready to become a meme.
Like, Kay must just make our day. Hey, if that wig falls, it's gonna be amazing. So here we are. It's like a theme park vibes, I think. I don't know. Okay, I do know. This is like the second time I come here. I came here in 2015, but it was like a, yeah. The lighting, okay, come look at this, guys.
Oh.
Yes. Oh, yeah, your face could never, guys, could never. So guys, we spent like an hour a day taking pictures
For the content.
for the gram.
Hey guys, so like just to give a little background and context, this woman couldn't believe that our bodies are the way they are. She was busy saying that we must have gotten surgery or whatever. It makes no sense. Where are we from? She wants it and yada yada yada. It was very hilarious, so I just recorded it. Cool.
Angle of the video.
Death.
You get a fast car. I want a ticket to anywhere. Maybe we make a deal.
Going on this roller coaster. This is a whole roller coaster track. Guys, they gave us something to secure the wig with. How happy are you right now?
So happy. I'm happy.
Harima gold rib seats. It's a movie. It's a movie. Yeah, they like she has to sit in front because of the booty. The booty will not fit at the back, guys. Today is a movie, a whole movie. Wig secured.
Ladies and gents, this lady's channel is on YouTube and the name is
Living LaVida Khadzi.
Living LaVida Khadzi. Subscribe.
Thank
You'll
you.
see me.
Yeah.
Where are you ladies from?
Guys, doesn't this like give you Monte Casino vibes? Like
in Maranello.
So basically this ride is just showing us like the process of how a Ferrari is made and built.
Once everyone is happy with the design,
So guys, we just went on this amazing roller coaster, but I have a headache now because wow, my edges are snatched, proper snatched. Bye. How pretty are these cars, guys? So pretty. So we decided to take a nap before this ride while Kay's at the bathroom. So I'm also just gonna like sleep now. Khadzi, guys, I'm tired. I am really tired. It's not even funny. Fastest roller coaster, guys. Edges are about to be snatched. Wigs are about to be snatched. That was so much fun. Hey, that was really fun. My glasses came off. Yeah, it was. Can we go eat now, please? Food time. Please, food time.
Oh yeah, there's Katarina.
Kay wants to go sightseeing wearing heels, guys. Yo, guys, I've never been this tired in my life. I am exhausted. And these girls. Huh?
The last time we tried is when we had the weekend together.
Oh yeah. Actually, every time we are together, it's an issue. It's day 2 and it feels like day 10. But anyway.
How are you making it to day 10?
But today was fun, actually. It was really fun. Ferrari World was fun.
Are you gonna blur me out? Like,
No.
maybe a second chicken and I'm done. Remember in this video?
Oh.
Oh, 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 oh.
So pretty.
I don't like sports cars, but this is gorgeous.
That one is nice.
I'm in love with this. Okay, the others are kind of basic, but like, I'm speaking into his existence, guys. Please subscribe so that one day Linda can afford nice things like other YouTube kids. Thank you. So it's a show.
Ninjas.
Oh gosh.
So we're going go-karting now. Yo, yo, check it out! Look at all these other losers. Yeah! Hi guys, how yous? So today is kind of like a boring day because we're going sightseeing. Abu Dhabi doesn't really have that many sights to see. However, your girl looks cute today. Obviously y'all are gonna see a picture if you follow me on Instagram. I'll put it down here. So like right now everybody just went to breakfast. I'm not really a breakfast person. Yeah, so I'm not really a breakfast person because yeah, I just never have time for it. I'd rather eat lunch than wake up early in the morning. Hell no.
Okay, I'll stop there. A nice place. You'll check. Look the shape for the roof. You know what is it?
It's the one that I said looks like a clutch ball.
Sheikh Zayed bridge, and look the shape for the bridge. Sand dunes. The shape. Yeah. Yeah, the shape for the sand dunes.
So guys, this is like a very fancy schmancy hotel. So like people here have money, guys. They import sand from Africa for their beach. Imagine. And yeah. So guys, we're searching for a golden toilet. Are they? Oh. But it's not gold. They told us it's gold. It's not gold. So guys, I think that's the important sand beach. Everything looks like money and smells like chelete. It's like a whole vibe over here. Like, I might just mess around and end up living in the UAE. Just might. Where are these going? Oh. This hairstyle is so weird. What am I doing today with my life? But anyway, at least my outfit. She's cute. So this is called the Heritage Village, like the old city of Abu Dhabi. Video. Say hi.
Hi. I'm the tour guide today.
Yeah. Hey guys, so we just want to touch the Abu Dhabi border.
So beautiful, guys.
So warm. Like, look at this. I said more Cape Town, it's more Durban. It's not Durban anymore. Cry with me, guys. My nail is coming off. Imagine. It's actually really hot, guys. I feel like I'm cooking. It's you. Limpopo has nothing on this.
It really does.
So the face is melting.
Like it's melted. It's not melted. It's melted.
My makeup, like on the side, I don't know if you guys can see, like here and on my nose, it's completely gone.
Esta es la burka que les decía yo. Es una decoración.
Guys, doesn't this remind you of your grandma's house? This iron.
I called Murali. Fresh dates.
taste right.
All these dates, guys, and I can't even get one. Oh wow, Makhadzi, wow, this is why they say girls aren't funny. Oh my gosh, how can I flop such an easy joke?
Assalamu alaikum. That's hello. And then how are you?
Kaifalak.
Kaifalak.
I learned for you on the way to Dubai. Assalamu alaikum. Kaifalak.
Kaifalak.
Shu akhbarak.
Shu akhbarak. What does that mean?
Shu akhbarak.
Shu akhbarak.
Shu akhbarak meanings, you know, how are you? Something like what is your, are you okay? Yeah.
What does kafal?
Zain. I'm going Zain. Zain meanings okay.
Zain.
Your girls decided to go to Dubai last minute, like on a whim. So here we are. My camera is messing up because it is so humid and it is so hot, like unnecessarily hot. So show you guys my face because doneta, like my whole body is so painful and I look like a hot mess. But ooh. I like my girl's BBW.
Guys, do you see all the sweat on my face? This isn't cute. Like the net, like my thighs are painful. I can't. It's like 6 o'clock. It's at night, so it should be cooling down. And here I am sweating. Like nobody. Oh, cute baby.
Guys, I think I might have found a place that is sweeter than me. Oh, feels like a Willy Wonka factory. How great is this? It revolves like sushi. Hey guys, so I'll admit I'm a terrible vlogger because I realized that I don't end the vlog I'm editing right now. However, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell because next week we are doing part 2 in a whole entire different country. And guys, we reached 1,000 subscribers! I'm so excited. Thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. Oh my gosh, that is such a big milestone for the YouTube community. You guys are amazing. So let's continue to grow and go on all these adventures. Bye! See you next week.